Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Ecuador. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa to a country, first of all, based on your nationality, duration and purpose, you should check if you really need a visa or not. In case you do, then you need to see the requirements and you need to contact the embassy, mission, consulate, whichever is covering your region where you are living. Because based on your region and location, there could be some additional requirements. So when it comes to apply for a tourist visa to Ecuador, many nationalities do not even need it. So first of all, you need to find out if you need it or not, and if you need, then you need to follow as I said. For example, let's say you live in India, okay? So there's an embassy of Ecuador in New Delhi, okay? But thing is that like there's no website that is currently working that has all the information. But I did find a Facebook page, and also they have a like Twitter account too that you can connect with them, okay? So like when it comes to requirements, so like Um, few things I found after doing search, like there's a visa application form that I can show you over here. This is visa application form. Okay. Along with that, you need to have your passport. Like if you're going for short-term tourist visa, you should, and you can stay up to 90 days with this. Then you need to have your passport valid for minimum 6 months after the intended departure, your photo, then your travel insurance, proof of accommodation and journey, return ticket, and the fee I found was $60. But again, like I did a lot of research and found this information. But if you read this Facebook page, people have asked them questions about visitor visa, and they have provided the email address that you contact, and then they are going to take it further. So you can do that process. But this form I have found from the official site, so this is okay. So it's very simple to fill. See visa uh, application. This is for your photo and then your name details, and it's in English also, so very simple it is. Marital status, signature, summarize the text of your visa application, why you are going. It's very simple. This is your gonna be your temporary visit. So that's how you can go, right. It's very simple. So in this way it works out. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Thanks for watching.